Welcome to the instructional video for Kelvin Smith Library's Internal Staff Wiki. This wiki acts as the intranet for all internal documentation for KSL, including policies and procedures, links, training, room reservations, and more. This video will demonstrate how you get around the wiki, as well as editing and creating content. Note that the wiki is a secure environment and requires your case ID and password for access. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main wiki page that highlights all of the important and immediate information for KSL staff, sort of like a main menu. In addition to this page, there are three primary ways to get around the wiki and find information. Located in the bottom menu, the index button will take you to a list of the entire contents of the wiki. Another way to find content in the wiki is through search, which returns all the results of your search term, whether it's in the title or the body of the page. And there's also recent changes, which shows you the list of recently updated pages in order of the most recently changed. Once you're in the index, you'll see a list of files and folders showing the entire contents of the wiki. These are actually called pages and namespaces in Dokuwiki, but we'll get into that further on in the video. Just click on the folder or namespace to see the subpages that it contains. Note that there can be sub-namespaces as well. Then you can click on a page to edit it. When performing a search, results will be returned whether they're in the title of the page or somewhere in the contents. Say if you're searching for TEI, the Text Encoding Initiative, you will see all the pages with TEI in the title or somewhere in the content of the page. In recent changes, you will see the most recently edited pages and who edited them. By clicking on the 3D glasses, you can see what changes have been made to a page. By clicking on the document icon, you can select a specific version of the page and revert back to that page. Now that you know the three main ways to get around the wiki, we'll look at how you can edit an existing page. For this demonstration, I'm going to edit the playground page, which you could use yourself to learn about basic editing features. Once you've found the page you want to edit, click Edit in the bottom menu. Here you will see the markup language that Dokuwiki uses, which is kind of like HTML. There's also a WYSIWYG toolbar to help with some of the basic formatting, which includes the ability to format text, create headers, bulleted lists, as well as add files and images. It's also a good idea to use the instruction manual located in the left side menu. Here you will find basic editing instructions, as well as good examples that you can use in your own page. When you're done editing the page, you can click Preview to see how it looks, then click Save when you're done. Now let's say you want to create a new page. Here's where it's important to understand the idea of namespaces, which we said earlier is sort of like folders. When you're ready to create a new page, click the Add New Page button at the bottom. You'll be prompted to add a new page name. Here is how you place the page within a certain namespace. For this example, I'm going to create a page within the Wiki namespace you see here, and I'm going to call the page Training Video. You enter the page name beginning with the namespace, and then a colon, and then the page name. If you've added a namespace that doesn't exist, creating this page will create that new namespace for you. Once you click OK, you're taken to this intermediary page, where it confirms the topic does not exist yet. Just click the Create This Page button at the bottom to continue with this process. Now you can begin editing your newly created page. This has been a brief overview of the basics of KSL's Internal Staff Wiki. You can find more information on how to use the wiki by clicking on the Wiki Training link on the front page of the wiki. As always, you can get to the wiki by going to library.case.edu/wiki. Thank you.